The most flexible and durable line-side storage rack is within your grasp with UNEX's FlowCell. Its bolt-together steel structure is tougher and more flexible than pipe and joint structures and allows for easy assembly. With a capacity of 1,000 pounds per level, FlowCell is ready to take on whatever you can throw at it. The FlowCell is a flexible unit that can be designed to meet your specific needs and can be outfitted with SpanTrack, the industry's most reliable flow track. FlowCell's got options on top of options. Need a workbench? No problem. Interested in an overhead toolbar? Yeah, it can do that too. Want to move it all the way across your facility? We'll outfit FlowCell with casters to get things rolling. If implementing lean processes is your goal, FlowCell will get you there.